Hello. One of the main things you've got to get right when you're presenting is your content. Now, a lot of people seem to think that content is simply your slides or your script. And I argue it's an awful lot more than that. Your content is about your message. It's about what you want people to take away. It's about your call to action. What do you actually want people to remember and do differently as a result of what you've just told them? So in the next few videos, you will find lots of tips on how to get your content right. So we'll talk a little bit about message. We'll talk about objectives, those things that underpin the content before you really even start writing. We'll then talk about how you can generate content, how to avoid blank page syndrome. We'll look a little at how you structure content, different ways that you can structure your presentation to make it easy for you to remember and easy for you to deliver and easy for your audience to take note of, hopefully remember and act upon. We'll also think about how you go about bringing your content to life. We'll think about how you edit your content, and what you leave out is often just as important as what you put in. We'll also think about the big ideas and the small details that can really bring your content to life. So don't think about content simply as your script or your slides. Think about your content as being your message, your call to action, and the things that really underpin your presentation. That way, you're far more likely to make that presentation resonate with the audience and make them do whatever it is you want them to do. So next time, we're going to start talking about message.